Don are going to ride through the snowman. We've got 3 circles. First one is huge. It's 30 feet to the left. Then it's 26 feet to the right. And then it's 24 feet to the left. So first thing she's going to do is ride through it. Then she'll come back, and then I'll get right in there with her so you can see the head turns. You may say, why do you have to do circles? Well, you don't have to, but it forces you to use your head and eyes, the most important of the 3 techniques. You must use the friction zone as well. And a little bit of pressure on the rear brake makes it so much easier. Now she's going to come back and do it again. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. There's no straight part to a circle, so you should never be looking straight. Show you this exercise on my Ride Like a Pro video. Still just 20 bucks. You got a $25,000 motorcycle and you're afraid to spend $20 on it to learn how to actually ride that motorcycle? Come on, you got to be kidding me. RideLikeAPro.com. Get that Ride Like a Pro video. I'm the motor man. I'm the original guy. I've got all the tips and tricks you'll ever need. Till next week.